Alright, front end is now complete. Upper control arms, tie rod ends, lower ball joint. The only thing left to do now is put the caliper on this. This is the driver's side. It's a Pico Blue shocks with drop zone coilovers. Passenger side is done. So the only thing left to do now is tighten this down and stake it. Like I said, tighten this down and then stake it. So new rotors. I put a caliper back on this, but yeah, this is done. Brand new upper control arms, tie rod ends, and lower ball joints. Yes, sir. This is the undercarriage. Alright. Gotta give it a wash. I mean, it is winter time, so it is pretty dirty. Damn good tread. Neogens. 15-inch. These are 205 50-15s. So, yep. I don't know if you ever see that, but it's Gritty Evo 2 muffler. So, yep. Still here at the Honda dealership, getting everything replaced. Last but not least, last thing we got to do is the clutch master cylinder. So as soon as we go ahead and get this caliper back on this side, we're going to start on the clutch master cylinder, which is right here. Brand new clutch master cylinder, brand new. So this will be going in. This will be going in after we get this back on here, and we'll put it on there and then bleed it, all that good shit. Yeah, this is from the brake cleaner. Whatever you do, man, wear gloves. You use brake cleaner, this will happen to your hands. So that shit dries it out real bad. Anyway, brand new clutch master cylinder, workbench, you know. So yeah, proof that the entire front end is brand new. The entire front end. So this proof. The proof is in the pudding. Yes, yes, yes. Anyway, alright. I'll make another video later after everything is replaced and is back on the ground and washed. So, oh yeah, and it's got a fresh oil change. OEM Honda filter and 5W20 oil that Honda uses. So, good shit, man. Good shit. Alright.